Okay, today we're doing an experiment on the solubility rate of Skittles in different solvents. My two scientists today are... Alright. Okay, so what we've done here, we have 4 different solvents. We have vegetable oil, vinegar, cold water, and hot water. We've used half a cup and put them into the mason jars. All right, now we're going to add the Skittles. Okay.
They all went to the side.
You see it's 205. So, as you can see, the Skittle in the hot water is already starting to dissolve. Do we have any change in any of the other solvents, girls?
Yes. Oh yeah.
Oh, the hot water, right? And what
hot
about the
water
other
is
ones?
white, and the cold water is starting to dissolve too. The hot
water
but it is
kinda
not
looks
white.
like it maybe
So now the cold water is starting to dissolve. Is that right,
Yeah.
Bailey?
Yeah. And the vinegar is starting to dissolve too.
Okay, so you can see that. And then now we have the vinegar also starting to dissolve. Okay, so what's going on with the oil?
Nothing. It's just.
Okay, so nothing's happening there. So the hot water took off the red dye off the Skittle the quickest, then the cold water, then the vinegar, and the Skittle and the vegetable oil is still unchanged.
Shake it.
Okay, so it's 2:07. We're going to check back here in a few minutes. Okay, we're back. It's 2:15, so we dropped the Skittles in around 2:05. It's been 10 minutes. Let's see what we have. Okay. So as you can see there in the left-hand side of the jar, on the hot water, the Skittle is almost completely dissolved. The cold water, it is starting to dissolve. The vinegar is also starting to dissolve.
What's pink?
And the vegetable oil, not a whole lot going on there. Looks like the red dye is starting to come off just a little. Let's see here. Let's see. See if that's just just coming off. You can see just a little bit there. Okay? Okay. So what we've concluded is the Skittle dissolved the quickest in the hot water, then the cold water, then the vinegar, then the vegetable oil. Now, girls, why is that?
because hot water has the most polar.
Is the most polar?
Well, both
And
water
sugar.
is polar, and sugar is polar. Vinegar is the next polar, and
Okay.
then vegetable oil is non-polar. So it will probably not melt in the vegetable oil.
That's right. And what is sugar?
Polar.
Okay. So polar substances or solutes dissolve in polar solvents.
Yeah.
All right. And then why was the hot water the fastest?
Because hot melts stuff faster than cold water, vinegar, or vegetable oil.
Because when you add heat, the sugar dissolves quicker.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay, the last thing we're going to do here is measure the Skittle in each jar. Looks like the
There
hot
is
water
no Skittle.
is completely gone. Okay, it's 2:18, so it's been going for about 13 minutes. Okay, here's the, just put it on the paper there. Cold water. All right, let's see. The vinegar. All right.
Weird. There's stuff coming off on the side of it. It's like oil. It's like
And the vegetable oil. Okay. So, let's see. Here, hold this.
This one's more hard.
Hold the phone. Alright. So, the one with the cold water is. Let's see. What does that say? Approximate,
1/4. 1 inch and
approximately
Sorry.
3/8. So 3/8 of an inch. The vinegar. Is about the same. And
Vegetable oil didn't do anything.
vegetable oil was unchanged. A little bit bigger than 3/8 of an inch. So almost half an inch. Okay.
So what
And that concludes our very scientific experiment today. Signing out are our scientist, Cami K.
Bailey?
And Bailey Ann.